I think the part we are waiting for is the return of the stolen part of Kashmir, which is on the under illegal Pakistani occupation.
What's Pakistan-occupied Kashmir? For India, POK isn't disputed territory. It's a piece of land illegally occupied. But for over 75 years, that land has remained outside India's control. But how did it get here, and why hasn't been this conflict resolved? It started in 1947. India had just gained independence, and the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, which hadn't yet joined either India or Pakistan, suddenly became a battleground. Pakistani tribal militias with army support invaded Kashmir. The Maharaja of Kashmir signed an instrument of accession to join India in exchange for military protection. India accepted, and war broke out. In 1949, a ceasefire line was drawn. India controlled about 2/3 of the state. Pakistan controlled the rest, what we now call Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. In 1949, the UN passed a resolution. Pakistan must vacate POK first.
We hear Pakistan referring to UN Security Council resolutions on Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, but it very conveniently forgets its own obligations under the very first of those resolutions to first vacate its illegal occupation of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
Over time, Pakistan changed the map. POK was split into Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, run separately from Islamabad but not independently. In 1994, the Indian Parliament unanimously passed a resolution. POK is an integral part of India. That hasn't changed.
जब तक पाकिस्तान के कब्जे में भारत की 1 इंच भूमि है, तब तक मैं बात नहीं करूंगा.
In 2019, Home Minister Amit Shah revoked Article 370, ending Jammu and Kashmir's special status.
इसलिए एग्रेसिव हूँ कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के पीओके को आप भारत का हिस्सा नहीं मानते हो क्या? एग्रेसिव ना हो, जान दे देंगे इसके लिए.
Since then, the rhetoric has only gotten louder. Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly even has reserved 24 seats for people from POK. These have always remained vacant.
और पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर की 24 सीटों को आरक्षित रखा गया है, क्योंकि हम अभी भी मानते हैं, जिसको जो बोलना है वो बोले, पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर भारत का है, हमारा है और हमसे कोई नहीं छीन.
But while POK dominates political speeches, some leaders argue the conversation is incomplete.
लेकिन उसके साथ-साथ जब आप वो नक्शा देखते हो ना जम्मू कश्मीर का, उसमें जम्मू कश्मीर का एक हिस्सा पाकिस्तान के पास है, ठीक, लेकिन एक हिस्सा चीन के पास भी है. उसकी बात क्यों नहीं होती? उसका जिक्र क्यों नहीं होता?
He's referring to Aksai Chin, the northeastern chunk of Ladakh that's under Chinese control, adding another layer to an already complex issue. Because it's not just about land, it's about identity, geopolitics, and international power games. And for locals, caught between cross-border shelling, politics, and propaganda, it's their homes, their futures at stake.